Hello everybody, Gabe here from Motor.com, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Gigabyte collaboration with Nvidia on the GTX 750 Ti. Now if you didn't see my last video, this is going to be adding on to my current build that I'm going through right now. And just so you know, I'm going to be using this on Linux. They're finally coming out with support for Linux through their drivers, so yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. See you there. Okay, so starting off, we have the box. You can see it's a GeForce GTX 750 Ti. There we have our 2 gigabytes of GDDR5 RAM and 4K support via the 2 HDMI ports. And there's the WindForce branding. There's the side. The other side's the exact same. We have Windows branding there. A quick diagram of the way the WindForce cooling works. Now here are some of the features of the GTX 750 Ti. And moving on here, there's the diagram and a quick explanation of WindForce, which is the system that Gigabyte is using for the cooling on this graphics card. Now, if we break this thing open, we have our free game that came with it. I got Daylight, and there's the back right there. Now here is the quick start guide. It opens up horizontally, which is kind of cool. And it's just pretty basic. Got a bunch of different languages in there. There's the back. Now here we have our drivers CD. I won't be needing this because I'm just going to be using the Linux drivers because they are making Linux drivers right now. But yes, and also if you're using drivers, you might want to download them because they're more updated. Now there's a graphics card itself in its anti-static plastic. So, in this plastic here is the GTX 750 Ti itself. It is pretty large compared to the GTX 750. It has an extra gig of RAM. It also has a 5, and there's the 6-pin adapter. It has a 5 SMX units instead of 4. It has 640 shader cores instead of 512. 40 texture units versus the 32, and it has a 5400 megahertz of effective data memory versus the 510 of the GTX 750. It also has 2 fans versus the one that would come on the 750. It is much longer, but overall it's a pretty nice graphics card, and be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more unboxing and review videos on this build, and peace.